Hello friends, today we will discuss about the integrated rate law, differential rate law and integrated law. You know differential rate law. Differential rate law means rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of the reactant in terms of derivative. And integrated rate law means in the terms of integration means concentration of reactant for a different time. Discuss the first order reaction in solution, that is integrated rate law for the first order reaction in a solution. Consider a reaction A gives product. This is a first order reaction. Differential rate law for this reaction, rate is equal to minus dA by dt is equal to K into concentration of this A. H power 1 means order of reaction is 1, that is the first order reaction. Write this equation minus dA by dt is equal to K into concentration of A. Write another fashion, d concentration of the dA divided by concentration of the A is equal to minus dt. Taking integration of the both the side. Integration of both side with limits. Means dA by concentration of the A, limit A0 to AT. A0 initial concentration and AT concentration at time t. A0 here minus K dt, t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 2, means A0 at t is equal to 0 and AT after time period t is equal to t. Solve this integration. dA upon A means log A. Here log base E concentration of the A, its power, limit A0 to AT is equal to K is a rate constant minus K integration of dt is equal to t. T is equal to 0, t is equal to t. So this log base E concentration of the AT minus log E concentration of the A0 is equal to minus K into t. T minus 0 means t minus kt. Log base E, log A minus log B means log A divided by B is equal to log A minus log B. Same term here, log base E concentration of the AT divided by concentration of A0 is equal to minus kt. First order reaction in the form of exponential. Kt is equal to minus log E AT by A0 means log E A0 by AT. Kt is equal to, therefore K is equal to 1 upon T into log base E A0 by AT. Log base E convert into log base 10. Therefore, K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log base 10 concentration of A0 upon AT. This is first order reaction equation. First order reaction काय सांगते K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log 10 A0 upon ET. Initial concentration divided by concentration after the time time T. Unit for this K ratio A0 upon AT unitless value. Therefore, unit for K unit K per second T किंवा per minute or per hour. Half-life of first order reaction. Half-life of reaction is a time required for reactant concentration to half of its initial concentration. Means time in which reaction complete half. असा हाफ लाईफ पिरियड म्हणजे रिएक्शन कंप्लीट हाफ होण्यासाठी कंप्लीटली हाफ जिथे रिएक्शन होते त्यासाठी लागणारा टाइम पिरियड म्हणजे हाफ लाईफ. हियर टी इज इक्वल टू टी हाफ अँड concentration after time t means AT, concentration of the AT is equal to A0, concentration of the A0 divided by 2. You know first order reaction, equation for this first order reaction K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log A0 upon AT. Put the value of T and AT here. 2.303 divided by T half log concentration of A0 divided by AT ची value concentration of A0 divided by 2 means 2.303 divided by T half into log 2 means value for log 2 0.3010 is equal to calculate and solve this 0.693 divided by T half means K is equal to 0.693 divided by T half means T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K. Half life of first order reaction and unit for this half life period second, minute or hours. Then lifetime, discuss one another point, lifetime reaction. Lifetime reaction म्हणजे एखादी रिएक्शन कंप्लीट 100% होण्यासाठी जो टाइम पिरियड लागतो त्याला आपण काय म्हणणार लाईफ टाइम. पण नेवर कंप्लीट द रिएक्शन, कोणतीच रिएक्शन 100% होत नाही. नेवर कंप्लीट दिस रिएक्शन, never complete 100%. And for this reaction infinity, lifetime काय असेल त्याची रिएक्शनचं infinity. Rate law for first order reaction written in the different form. First, K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log A0 upon AT. Concentration A0 upon AT. Another rate is equal to K into concentration of the A. Another form log base E AT upon concentration of AT upon A0 is equal to minus KT. Concentration of AT divided by concentration of the A0 is equal to e raised to minus kT. Means AT is equal to A0 into e raised to minus kT. AT is equal to log A0 minus kT divided by 2.303. T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K. T light is infinity. These are the number of formula for first order reaction, rate law for first order reaction. Then discuss one another point, rate law for first order reaction in the gas phase. This is in the form of solution, another in the form of gas phase. Integrated rate law for gas phase reaction. For the gas phase reaction, pressure here consider one reaction. A gas gives B gas plus C gas. Let initial pressure of A Pi that decreases by X within time T. The pressure of reactant A at time P, Pa is equal to Pi minus X. The pressure of product B and C, Pb is equal to Pc is equal to X. The total pressure at time T, P is equal to Pi minus X. P is equal to Pi minus X plus X plus X. If Pi plus X means X is equal to P minus Pi. Pressure of A at time T is obtained by substitute this value for X in this equation and calculate Pa is equal to Pi minus P minus Pi. That is Pi minus P minus minus plus Pi P. Means Pa pressure for A 2 Pi minus D. The integrated rate law converting here, K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log concentration of the A0 upon AT. Put this value and calculate. Means here A0 initial concentration is equal to here Pi and AT is equal to 2 Pi minus P. K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log Pi divided by 2 Pi minus P. P is the total pressure of the reaction at time T. Now summary. First, integrated rate law, that is K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log of concentration of the A0 divided by concentration of the AT. Then half-life period for first order reaction and discuss the integrated rate law for gas phase reaction. And next video about the graphical representation of first law. ग्राफिकल रिप्रेझेंटेशन आपण पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहणार आहोत, जे की अतिशय इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. MCQs मध्ये नीट जेई साठी हमखास ज्यावर क्वेश्चन विचारला जातो. 100% ग्राफिकल रिप्रेझेंटेशन फर्स्ट लॉ वेगवेगळ्या ग्राफिकल फॉर्म मध्ये तुम्हाला दाखवणार आहोत. होप यू लाईक द व्हिडिओ. सबस्क्राईब इट, शेअर इट. थँक्यू.